Download the DJI Fly app on your mobile device. This video will help you get started quickly and safely. Watch this video to learn some basic flying skills. Before flying, remember to check the battery level and micro SD card. Unfold the mobile device clamps. Remove the control sticks from their storage slots and screw them into place. Then unfold the antennas. The cable on the left side of the remote controller connects your mobile device to the remote controller. Unfold the aircraft arms and remove the gimbal cover from the camera. To insert the intelligent flash battery, lightly press until the battery clicks into place. Press once, then again, and hold to turn on the remote controller and the aircraft. Place the aircraft on a flat surface. Be sure to aim the aircraft tail towards yourself. Open the DJI Fly app. Tap the aircraft status bar in the app. Increase the RTH altitude until it is higher than the highest buildings or structures in your vicinity. Tap the auto takeoff icon on the left side of your screen for 3 seconds to get airborne. Once the aircraft takes off, the auto landing icon will be shown. If you want to take off manually, push both sticks to the bottom inner or outer corners to start the motors. Then push the left stick up to get in the air. In Mode 2, the left stick controls the aircraft's altitude and orientation, while the right stick controls its forward, backward, left, and right movements. You can tap the top right corner of your screen to enter the remote controller menu and change the stick mode. The aircraft flies out of your line of sight. You can check the aircraft position and speed information through the live map and flight parameters. The function buttons on the right side of the app enable you to shoot photos, record videos, enter quick shots, and enter playback to preview photos and videos. You can also tap camera settings at the bottom right corner to set or adjust camera parameters. By using the gimbal dial and the shoot record button, you can adjust the gimbal's tilt and control the camera during the flight, tapping the auto landing icon on the left side of your screen and tapping the RTH icon in the prompt for 3 seconds, or pressing and holding the RTH button, the aircraft will return to home automatically. If the aircraft's altitude is lower than the RTH altitude, the aircraft will ascend to the preset RTH altitude and fly to the home point directly. If the aircraft's altitude is higher than the RTH altitude, the aircraft will maintain its altitude while flying back to the home point. When the aircraft is over the home point, it will automatically land and the motors will stop. Use the auto landing slider in the app to automatically land the aircraft and stop the motors. You can also pull down the control sticks to land the aircraft. After the aircraft lands, continue pulling down on the control sticks until the motors stop. If you want to take out the battery after the aircraft is powered off, open the battery compartment at the aircraft tail. Then press the narrow battery release button in and slide the battery out to remove it. Ensure that the battery is sufficiently charged before your next flight.